Hello and welcome back. We're just continuing on in the book. Looks like today we're doing puzzle number 71. If we start with this box, we're missing a 3. And for this box, we're missing 2 and 8. We've got an 8 here. So 2, 8. If we look at this row, we're missing 1 and 7. And I don't see any help. So 1, 7, 1, 7. For this row, we're missing 5 and 8. We've got an 8 here, so 5, 8. For this column, we're missing 1 and 5. We've got a 5 here, so 1, 5. For this column, we're missing 2, 7, and 8. We've got 2 and 8 here, so this is our 7. 8 here, so 2, 8. For this box now, we're missing 4, 6, and 9. We've got a 9 here, so 4, 6, 9 here, so 4, 6. And that means that our 9 has to be here. For this top row now, we're missing 4, 6, and 7. We've got a 4 here, so 6, 7. 6 here, so 4, 7. And no help here, 4, 6, 7. For this row, we're missing 1, 4, and 6. We've got a 6 here, so 1, 4. 4 here, so 1, 6. For this row, we're missing 1, 5, 7, and 9. We've got a 5 here, so 1, 7, 9. Nine covering these 3 boxes, no other help here, so 1, 5, 7. 5 and 9 here, so 1, 7. 7 and 9 here, so 1, 5. And that means that our 9 has to be here. If we look at this column, we're missing 1, 5, 6, and 7. We've got 1, 6, and 7 here. So this is our 5. 6 here. So 1, 7. For this column, we're missing 1, 7, and 9. We've got the 9 here. So 1, 7. And the 9 can't be there, so our 9 must be here. For this box now, we're missing 1, 2, and 7. We've got 2 and 7 here, so this is our 1. 7 here, so 2, 7. That 1 makes this our 7, 1. 7, 4. And with that 4, we can get rid of this 4. Oh, and this 7 makes this our 6, 1. 4, 6, 4. And that 6 makes this our 7. That 7 makes this our 1, 5, 7. For this box now, we've got 1 and 2. We're missing a 3. For this box, we're missing 1 and 6. We've got a 6 here, so 1, 6. For this column now, we're missing 2 and 9. We've got a 2 here, so 9, 2. For this bottom row now, we're missing 1 and 3. We've got a 1 here, so 3, 1. For this row, we're missing 6 and 8. We've got an 8 here, so 6, 8. And for this row, we're missing 4 and 5. We've got a 4 here, so 5 and 4. And there we have it for today's puzzle. Thank you so much for joining me again today. I hope you have an awesome day, and I will see you back here again tomorrow with our next puzzle.